Let's see how we can modify a string. We can convert a string into a upper, so a lower string is converted into upper. So s is a string, I am lower. So s upper is equal to s dot upper. So s is lower and s capital is equal to, it is an upper string. We can convert into lower also in the same way. S dot lower. So every character in the s becomes lower, lowercase. That's the same function. And then remove strip. Strip is a very useful function that is used to remove the extra spaces around the a string, around a string. Let me have a string 1 2 3. I have 3 spaces before and after. So 3. So s is a string that has, you can see that it has 3 spaces there and 3 spaces here. Now we will use the strip function, s dot strip. So you can see that all the 3 spaces has been removed. This is the strip function. Replace. Replace is used to replace a word with another word. Let we have s is equal to I am original string. S is equal to I am original string. Now we want to convert G with P. G with P with G with D. That how is possible? S dot replace with G with P. So you can see that G is replaced with P. We can split a string with split function. So s is this string, we want to split it with the space sign. So we s dot split. So this is a new string. We can iterate over it. For it in s dot split and print sp. So every character will be printed, every word will be printed. Word would be printed. So I, first space printed, then I am original string. So this is how strings can be separated. So we have read what is upper and what is lowercase, how we strip a string, how we replace, and how we split. Thank you.